Hello, this video is an overview of the Consortium circuit tool. If you've not already created an account with the tool and created an Illinois partner account, please watch the video Consortium circuit tool user registration at illinois.net and then K12 and then under forms and tools. You need to have an account before you can use the tool, and this video assumes that you're able to access the tool and have an account. If you want to go directly to a topic, please just scroll ahead to the timestamp shown here. To log into the Consortium circuit tool, you first go to the ICN website at illinois.net, then you click on K12 network, then scroll down to under forms and tools, you'll see Consortium circuit tool. Click here, then you're presented with the login screen for your Illinois partner account. So type in your email address here, then next, then type in your password here, then click verify, then complete the multi-factor authentication that you've got set up, then click verify. And now you're in the Illinois partner account page. Your application here is ICN Consortium circuit tool. Click on this link. And now we're logged into the tool. You see the school district name here that you've selected. And as you scroll down, you'll see circuits associated with the school district grouped by funding year. Funding year is an E-rate terminology and means the period specified here. So funding year 2025 is for the period 1st of July 2025 to 30th of June 2026. And as we scroll down, funding year 2024, we can expand this block. So these are the circuits associated with funding year 2024 for this period here. As we look at the circuits, for example, against funding year 2025, the first column is the DO-IT, Department of Innovation and Technology, or DO-IT circuit number. Then we have the location A name, location A address, location Z name, location Z address, the status of the circuit, the bandwidth associated with that circuit, whether the circuit is a last mile circuit or a WAN circuit, and the requested in-service start date. If you want to see more information for each circuit, what you can do is download a spreadsheet that has additional information. When you click the download, the file is stored in your download area. Click on Open File. So this is a spreadsheet that it has some additional information such as the circuit vendor, i.e. the vendor that's providing the last mile and WAN circuit. You have the name of the assigned engineer. You have the RTC region that the circuit is associated with. There's 9 regions in Illinois. RTC's Regional Technology Center. But the key person you should know and be working with is your assigned engineer here. And then you have some additional information related to the previous year status and the previous year bandwidth. To let DO-IT know that you want to move forward with a circuit, for example, for the upcoming funding year, the circuit will typically be in a pending order status. Pending order means we're pending the decision by yourself as to whether to move forward with a circuit or not. If you do want to move forward with a circuit, first of all, make sure the bandwidth is what you want. So let's say this bandwidth is okay. Let's say here you want to change that from 100 meg to 1 gig. Let's say here you want to change that from 100 meg to 4 gig. So now you've set the bandwidth, and all you simply do is you just select the checkboxes here for these 3 circuits, and you click on commit, and that's all you do. If later you decide that you do not want to move forward with, say, this circuit, select the circuit here and click on decline. And so the status now moves to declined. Or, you know, when the circuits were pending order, you did not want to move forward and you wanted to decline them, you know, just select the checkboxes and click decline, and they would all move to declined. If at this point you made a mistake and you want to change that bandwidth from 1 gig to a different bandwidth, you can do so, and it's sure that that is done prior to the deadline that you have to make these changes. Obviously, there's a certain point at which we will order these circuits based on all the committed circuits and bandwidth that we have in our system. If you want to create a new circuit and let the consortium bid out the circuit in the next procurement, what you need to do is click on this button, Add Circuit. You then select whether the circuit is a WAN circuit or a last mile circuit, and I have another video that talks about the definition of a WAN circuit versus last mile circuit. So let's assume this is a WAN circuit. Select what bandwidth you would like. Now, this is just an estimate. We will request pricing for all bandwidth levels, so it's not, it just gives us an idea, but you can certainly change the bandwidth later. What type of transport is service currently delivered? This lets us know what service your technology that you're receiving. Is your current service under contract? Yes or no. If it is, select what the contract end date is. So let's say we have June the 30th, 2025. And then here, location A, just click on here and select from this drop down the location A school. Select here the location Z school. And location A, that should be the remote location, let's say the elementary school. So if the elementary school is connected to a district office site, the elementary school will be location A, the district office or aggregation location will be location Z. And I talk more about that in the video that talks about the definitions of last mile and WAN circuit. If you want to add any notes here, you can do so, and then you just simply click on Add Circuit. And now circuit 9016 has been created. You'll see this show up in your list of circuits, and it has a status of pending procurement. So pending procurement means it's pending the inclusion of that circuit into the next procurement. So that's how you add a circuit. Circuit status definitions. So I'm going to go through some circuit status definitions. Pending procurement means the circuit is going to be considered for an upcoming procurement. So it's going to be included in an upcoming invitation for bid where we get pricing from vendors. Pending order means it's a circuit awaiting decision by the school district as to whether the school district wants to move forward with a circuit or not. The two possible statuses after pending order are committed or declined. So committed means, yes, I want to move forward with a circuit. Declined means, no, I do not want to move forward with a circuit for this year. Ask me again next year. That's what declined means. And then ordered means, and ordered is a status after committed. So ordered means we've ordered the circuit with a vendor. We've submitted the circuit for order with a vendor. And then in service is the status after ordered, and that means the circuit is now in service and operational at the school district. This concludes the Consortium Circuit Tool overview video. If you have any questions, please contact your assigned engineer, or please send an email to doit.icn.k12@illinois.gov. Thank you.